Lawless McLeod County.
Okay, it is February 17th, 2015, 9:33 a.m. calling Karen Messner, Court Administrator of McLeod County Court.
Court Administration?
Hi, how are you doing today?
Hi, fine, thank you.
Well,
What can I help you with?
I was wondering if I could get some information on a court case, case number 43 CR 14715, and that's State of Minnesota versus Heather Ann Swantek. Apparently there was a motion to dismiss submitted by the county attorney Junge on February 11th, 2015. It's your document ID number 46. You do e-file, the county attorney and the sheriff's department all e-file, don't they?
No, we do not, but we scan.
Okay, well, according to your court document, it says that this was e-filed comp order for detention on 5/15/2014. So I would presume that your judge, had this information emailed to him, the motion to dismiss.
No, it would have been sent up to him. We do it manually.
You do it manually. Okay, so someone.
Yeah. Looks like that was sent up to him on the 11th of February.
Okay. So in other words, he has it, but he's willfully refusing to sign this motion to dismiss?
Which just means that if he either hasn't had a chance to look at it or it's on the clerk's desk. I have no idea.
Okay. Well, the thing is, this case has been going on since, let's see, when is it? 5/15/2014. I guess I said, it was e-filed then. And apparently it's, the case is being dismissed because the Sheriff's Department and the city of Winsted are illegally withholding free electronic information to cover up a home invasion by the Winsted Chief of Police and one of the deputies from McLeod County. So I would think, if the judge was really interested in justice, that, he'd actually sign the thing, because as far as I understand it, it's the chief judge who is assigned to this, Conkel.
Okay.
He's your chief.
I'm not sure what your question is.
Well, I would think that.
When the judge gets to it, it'll be sent out.
Well, so in other words.
I don't know what else you're asking.
Well, I would think that something as important as a motion to dismiss by the county attorney, for a case that's been dragging on, trying to cover up some illegal home invasion by the law enforcement, I think he'd be.
Okay, sir, this isn't my file. I don't know. I know what's up with the judge. I can transfer you over to the area where it's at. You can leave a voicemail. She's not in today, but I don't know anything else about this file. Do you want to leave a message with her?
Who would that be?
That would be Joanna.
And she.
And like I said, she's not in today, but you can leave a message. She can contact you tomorrow when she gets in.
Let's see, is this Judge Conkel in today?
He's in court today.
Okay, so in other words, he's been aware of it. He's in court. He's been in court for the last.
I don't know. I don't know if he's aware. I don't know any of that.
Well.
You're asking me something I don't know. This isn't my file. I just see that it was entered on the 11th of February.
Yeah, well, apparently he knows it's there. I mean, because he has people.
Like I said, I do not know, sir. Are you her attorney?
No, I'm not. I'm someone who's concerned about justice. That's.
Then, yeah, you might want to contact her attorney. Maybe he knows her. But that's all that I can say at this point. Okay?
Well, thank you for your time.
Thanks, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Lawless McLeod County.
Okay, it is February 18th, 2015, 10:16 a.m. Calling Karen Messner, Court Administrator, McLeod County Courthouse.
Court Administration.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good.
Well, that's good. Say, I'd like to have some information on a case, case number 43CR14715. It's State of Minnesota versus Heather Ann Swantek.
43CR14.
715. It was E-file.
Okay, it's scheduled for a settlement conference February 20th.
Yes, there was a motion to dismiss submitted by County Attorney Michael Young on February 11th, 2015. And who did that motion to dismiss, was that addressed to? Was that Judge Conklin or Conkel?
Well, 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, it was just signed by the judge granting the dismissal.
Oh, which judge?
Judge Conkel.
Oh, okay. Just today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay, so I noticed that it's not changed on your...
No, we just got it down from the judge.
Okay, so you're going to have that on the...
I'm not myself. I'm not sure how soon it will be on the system.
Okay. Well, I just want to confirm the fact that it was signed and...
Yes, he did sign it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate your help.
Lawless McLeod County.
Okay, it is February 19th, 2015, 10:34 a.m. Calling Karen Messner, Court Administrator, McLeod County.
Court administration.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, what can I help you with?
Well, I was wondering, is Karen Messner, the Court Administrator, around?
She's actually, I believe she might possibly be in Sibley County today. Let me just look. Yep, she actually is over in Sibley County today.
Okay, well...
Do you want the phone number over there, or...?
Actually, I think I can look that up. There's a problem I've been calling the last couple of days about a case number. It's 43CR14715, State of Minnesota versus Heather Ann Swantek. And apparently it was, there was a motion to dismiss filed way back in February 11th, 2015, and then, I called on the 17th. Today's the 19th. I'm wondering if, how come that order for dismissal wasn't signed by Judge Conkel. He's your chief judge. And then I called yesterday, and then apparently I was told that it was actually signed on the 17th, which I have a hard time believing. But anyhow, after I called, then it was marked as the order of dismissal was supposedly filed, and the settlement conference for February 20th, 2015 was dismissed or canceled. And even though I was told on the 18th that it was still on, and the March 10th, 2015 jury trial is now marked canceled. But the problem is, if you look on your computer there, it'll say that status and type, it says it's still open. So, if this was...
Let me have you talk to the lady whose file this is. Hold 1 second.
Sure.
Court administration, this is Joanna.
Yeah, this is Terry Nemmers. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Well, I'm doing super. Say, there's a problem that I've been having. There's a case number 43CR14715, State of Minnesota versus Heather Ann Swantek.
Okay.
There's supposedly a motion to dismiss filed on February 11th, 2015, and then it wasn't being signed, and then on the February 17th, I called and asked, how come this thing wasn't being signed? It's your Judge Conkel, he's the chief judge, think that he'd be on the ball about getting these things done. But then I was told, yesterday, the 18th, that the settlement conference was still on. Now it's been canceled after my phone call, and the jury trial for the March 10th was canceled. Now that suppose this information that was supposedly signed, the order for dismissal was supposedly signed on the 17th. It was entered into the system. But the problem is, it still says that type and status, it still says it's open. So I'm having a hard time believing that this thing was actually dismissed. You know, I sent an email to your Karen Messner there as asking if she can provide some proof that this case has actually been dismissed, because apparently, you know, I'm getting all sorts of different messages here, and you know, and you know, your case, your records indicate this case is still open when your records indicate that it's closed.
Right. No, I understand where you're coming from. So let me look into that. All right. And I'm sorry, can I have your name one more time? You spoke a little fast at the beginning.
Sure. It's Terry, Terry, Nemmers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, ERS. I'm just trying to wonder if this is Judge Conkel's attempt to criminally defame Heather Ann Swantek. I mean, this is ridiculous.
I think that would be his intention. I mean, the dismissal order was signed and sent out yesterday. So let's see here. Do you mind holding for just a moment?
Well, it says, according to your records, it was signed on the 17th.
Right. It was sent out yesterday, though.
Okay.
Just one moment.
Sure.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So it looks like it was just a system issue. It should have closed automatically once the order for dismissal went through. It was not, so I went ahead and manually closed that. If you check online, you'll see that it is closed.
Okay. Well, I still have sent that email to Karen Messner. I still appreciate or expect that she will respond to my email.
Sure.
Okay.
That's just fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Lawless McLeod County.